My baby budgies. They're beautiful little babies. They got their own house. Put some bird food on the outside of it so that way you can see here. I put the food in there, and they got a little box in there, and I got some sticks from the woods. This one's from a pine tree, and there's some double knots in it, and they like rub all over it. They really like it. So these are two budgies. They're almost a year old. They were in a shelter, and we went and got them. And I'm hoping that they'd maybe start mating here soon. So have yourself a wonderful evening, and like and share, and as the time progresses and we end up having some babies, I will share along with the whole entire process of breeding and having baby budgies. August of 2020.